This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 283 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 33 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, microwave, water heater, LP detector, slide-out, TV antenna, skylight, refrigerator, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 283 RKS is 7,236 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 283 RKS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.